Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share your Instagram highlight link with a group. Whether you want to showcase your favorite moments or important updates, sharing highlights can help keep your friends or followers in the loop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it to head to your profile. Next, under your bio, you'll see your highlights. These are the curated collections of your past stories. Find the highlight you want to share. Once you've located it, press and hold on the highlight until a menu pops up. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Tap on it to copy the link to your clipboard. This link will direct anyone who clicks on it straight to your highlight. Now that you have the link copied, it's time to go back to your messages. Navigate to the group chat where you want to share this highlight. Once you're in the group conversation, simply tap and hold in the message input field until the paste option appears. Select Paste to insert the link you just copied. After that, click Send to share it with everyone in the group. And just like that, your friends can view all the amazing moments you've highlighted on your profile. Remember, sharing highlights is a fantastic way to engage with your audience or friends by giving them easy access to content that matters most to you. So don't hesitate. Start sharing those memorable moments today. That's all for this quick tutorial on sharing your highlight link on Instagram. Keep exploring and creating amazing content.